Hello, so today we are going to do this problem from day 11, diameter of a binary tree. And the problem says, given a binary tree, we need to compute the length of the diameter of the tree. And the diameter is just the length of the longest path between any two nodes in the tree. This path may or may not pass through the root. So here's the binary tree we have, and it returns 3, which is basically the length of going from through 4 here, 2, 1, and 3. That's 3, right? Because we count only the length. So 1, 2, 3. The length of the path between two nodes is represented by the number of edges. Yeah. So we count the edges, right? So how can we solve this? I think it should be pretty straightforward. Just for each node, for the root node, go to the left, find the length of the left path, and find the length of the right path, right? And then pick the longest one of them and do that recursively. And then maybe just maintain some kind of a global variable that counts the max of the sum of the left path, the length of the left path plus the length of the root of the right path, and that's the diameter. So what I'm thinking is we definitely need a helper function here that takes a node, and then we need some result here. Let's call it self.res equal to starts out as 0, and then we will need to call helper on the root, and then at the end we will need to return this. And then for the helper, if the node is null, we can just return. Maybe I'm not sure what we should return here, so let's just leave it blank for now, and just put question marks, right? And then here we will need to go for the helper, we need to go node.left, and then we'll need to go node.right. And this here left path, right, should be something +1 because we have the left side, right? But we should check if there is a left node, right? And then we need a right path, which is equal to 1 here. And then this is if node.left, and this is if node.right. And then we should here do self.res is the max of whatever value was there before, and the left path plus the right path, and then we should return whichever one is longer to the parent, right? So not left path and then right path. No, I think for something that is not a node, we should just return 0, right? Left path. Oh, it may be 0. So yeah, let's just say these two get initialized to 0, right? Okay, so with that we have, seems like it's correct with that example. Let's try to submit. Okay, so that's accepted. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Just keep this global variables, keep track of the max diameter, and then for each node just look at the left side and the right side. The biggest one is the one we are interested in, because that's the one that potentially will yield a big diameter for us, and then at the end just return the max of both the left path and the right path, and that's pretty much it. Yeah, so that's it for this problem. See you on the next one.